What is going on, Pyros? Jake the Snake Pyro coming at you with a video. I got Shogun Fireworks 8-shot big burst rack. Got angled shots here. Performance, 18 seconds in duration. Here's what the actual Chinese photo says it looks like, but I doubt it looks like that. I don't know. It says it's low, it's loud, but obviously is an angle. Red, green, blue, purple, gold, brocade, red, and white strobes. Shogun Fireworks 8-shot big burst rack. See you in a second. Alright, let's shoot this baby off. 8-shot big burst rack. Shogun Fireworks. Whew. Nice break. Nice break. Ooh, dang. That was decent. That's a decent cake. Those are actually pretty big breaks for that size tube. If you see that, pick that up, definitely. It's got pretty wide angle on it, so make sure you have clearance. Please like, subscribe, share. If not, oh well.